Wop baba doo bop balooba looba doo, Jucy Lucy, oh Lucy, Jucy Lucy, oh Lucy, Jucy Lucy, oh Lucy, Jucy Lucy, oh Lucy, Jucy Lucy. Woo! Hey everyone, welcome back to Baum Grillinz. On today's episode, we are making a Jucy Lucy burger. This thing's gonna be really good. All right, let's just get right into it. Okay, so for these burgers, we're gonna be using 80-20 ground beef. And then we're gonna fill them up with some cheese, we've got some chorizo, and we've also got some bacon. We're gonna really doctor these up and make them really good. All right, let's build those patties real quick. So what we're gonna do, I'm gonna be making 2 patties here. So we've got our ground beef. I'm just gonna take one little handful here, kind of beat it up. Nice and compact. Then what we'll do is we'll go ahead and shape our burger. It's gonna have a lot of flavor to it. It's gonna be really tasty. I want it somewhat thin, but not too thin. All right, now what we'll do is we'll make one more. Now this one I'm gonna make slightly bigger than the other one. Just a little bit. All right, now we'll do our other one. So basically what we're gonna need is 4 patties to make 2 burgers. All right, so a little something like that. Okay, now that we got our patties all made up, what we're gonna do is we're gonna stuff them. And I've got 3 ingredients that I'm gonna stuff these with. White cheddar cheese, and then I went ahead and I made up some chorizo and some bacon. What we're gonna do is just stuff those burgers with that stuff. Oh, it's gonna be really good. All right, let's just take that white cheddar cheese and we'll just put that in here. Good healthy chunk of it right there. That looks good. We'll do that one there. We'll go into this one here as well. One of them I'm gonna put the chorizo on. Making this for me and the wife, so wife doesn't want the chorizo. I think the little spice is gonna actually be really good. And then we'll add the bacon. Bacon. Oh yeah, that looks good already. All right, now all we gotta do is throw that other patty on top of there and form them into some nice looking burgers. Take that other patty and just throw it right on top. Just like that. We're just gonna kind of mold them together. Throw that other one right on top. Just kind of press them together. Make a stuffed burger. Basically, that's what it is. Just a stuffed burger with lots of cheese. And we've added some extra ingredients. Okay, so something like that. Nice uniform patties. What you want to do is you always want to make sure that your patty is bigger than your bun. Because what's going to happen is that patty's going to shrink a little bit and you want it to fit into this bun. You don't want a little sad looking burger inside of a massive bun. So make sure you form your burgers to be a little bit bigger than your bun. You should be good to go. Now we're just going to hit them with some salt and pepper. Go ahead and grind that on there. All right, so we're gonna just throw them on the grill. Now I've got the grill up to around 350 degrees right now. We're gonna throw them directly over the coals, get them nice and hot, and just cook these things properly. Now I'm gonna throw it with the seasoning side down. And then I'm just gonna hit it with some more salt and pepper. Wow, that's hot. That's a good temp right there for some burgers. All right, we'll go ahead and watch these and make sure they get cooked properly. Oh yeah, Jucy Lucy, man. Jucy Lucy. Got a burger named Lucy. She sure is gonna be a doozy. I've got a burger named Lucy. She sure gonna taste so good, yeah. Woo woo woo, woo woo woo. Yeah, ba ba da ba ba loo ba loo boo. All right, those burgers are good. We're gonna push them off to the side real quick. Then we're gonna toast our buns. We're gonna just throw a little butter on this bun. We're just gonna toast it. Do a little butter on top as well. All right, we're gonna go ahead and pull those off. Get those buns off, they're nice and toasty. Woo, yeah. All right. Now what we're gonna do is we're just gonna pull them all off. Ooh, hot. Okay. Let those burgers sit for just a second. We'll get some condiments on this. All right, we're just gonna hit some mayonnaise on these. Go on both sides. Oh, Jucy Lucy. Oh yeah, that's gonna be good. All right, let's get those burgers on there. Oh, yes. That's a burger patty right there. All right, now we're just gonna throw some lettuce and tomato and onion on there. Oh, that thing looks good. All right, a little bit of onion. The wife does not want tomato, so we're just gonna put onion on hers. And some beautiful lettuce. We'll just kind of skirt that around there. Something like that. Well, something like that. Then ketchup and mustard. Just do it on the top. And mustard. Flip that right on top of there. Flip that right on top of there. Oh, Jucy Lucy burger right there. All right, now we just have to cut into it and see what it looks like. All right, let's cut into that Jucy Lucy burger. Just go right down the middle here. Oh, man. Yeah! That cheese is in there, and it's coming out, and it looks delicious. Oh, look at that. Oh, yeah, look at that Jucy Lucy burger. That cheese is just melting out of there. You can see the cheese. I don't know if it's coming out in film, but that cheese is all up in there. You got the chorizo and the bacon. Oh, man. That looks so tasty. Well, let's cut into this one as well. Oh, yeah. Look at that Jucy Lucy right there. Jucy Lucy. All right, so there's only one last thing to do, and that's to try it. All right, here we go. This looks delicious. That's a delicious Jucy Lucy. Woo! That tastes amazing. Oh man, I can taste all of the flavors. I got the chorizo, the bacon, that cheddar cheese. I love white cheddar cheese. That stuff is delicious. Oh, this is a really good burger, you guys. That was like the best bite right there, right in the center with all of the ingredients. Oh my word, that's good. I want baba doo da pum 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 Jucy Lucy, oh Lucy, Jucy Lucy, oh Lucy, Jucy Lucy, oh Lucy, Jucy Lucy, oh Lucy, Jucy Lucy, yeah, baba da ba baloo baloo boo.